Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TubeBuddy for keyword research and packaging strategy. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your YouTube account. Once logged in, navigate to the TubeBuddy website. If you haven't installed the TubeBuddy extension, download and install it. After installation, open your YouTube Studio. You'll see the TubeBuddy icon on the right side. Click on the TubeBuddy icon to access its features. To start with keyword research, select the Keyword Explorer option from the TubeBuddy menu. Enter a topic related to your content in the search bar. Click the search icon to generate keyword suggestions. Review the keyword results based on search volume and competition. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. Once you've identified suitable keywords, take note of them. Next, go to the Tag Explorer tool. Paste your chosen keywords into the tag field. TubeBuddy will suggest additional relevant tags. Choose the most relevant tags to maximize discoverability. Now, navigate to the SEO Studio tool. Enter your video title and the primary keyword in the provided fields. The SEO Studio will evaluate your input and provide actionable suggestions. Follow the recommendations to improve your title, description, and tags. Next, optimize your thumbnail by ensuring it reflects the video content. Consider using vibrant colors and clear text in your thumbnail design. Return to your video settings and input your optimized title and description. Place the selected keywords and tags strategically in the description. Lastly, monitor the performance of your video using TubeBuddy's analytics tools. Track views, engagement, and discoverability over time. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data you gather. This will help improve your future content and optimize for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.